Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AGEA. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AGEA has offices in Europe, Asia, and North America, and offers professional trading services to individual and institutional investors globally. This broker is listed on the Montenegro Stock Exchange and operates under the supervision of the Commission of Capital Markets and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. AGEA adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. This broker offers competitive trading conditions, commission-free accounts, and 24-hour customer support. By trading with AGEA, you will have access to 2 powerful trading platforms, a wide range of instruments, and high-quality resources for research, analysis, and educational purposes. AGEA offers commission-free trading, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips on all instruments. By joining AGEA, you will have access to a variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Streamster is the only platform that can be used to trade cryptocurrencies. However, the MetaTrader 4 accounts offer more currency pairs. You can open accounts on both platforms to get access to all the instruments offered. To view the full list of instruments you can trade with AGEA, click on the Services tab and head over to the Platform Services page and click on one of the platforms. AGEA offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by choosing an option from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can use the menus at the bottom of the homepage to jump directly to different pages. If you require assistance, the easiest way to reach AGEA's customer support team is through live chat. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. AGEA offers a $5 welcome bonus to all new clients. You can also become an affiliate and earn commission income by successfully referring new clients to AGEA. Commissions are based on the trading volumes of the people who join AGEA through you, and will only be payable if they trade, but the income potential is much higher than a regular referral program. AGEA also runs a monthly tournament and rewards winners with the title of AGEA Master of the Month for having the highest points at the end of the month. To participate in the tournament, all you need to do is trade on the Streamster platform. There are 3 types of accounts you can open with AGEA, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. This account can be used for an unlimited amount of time, so you can keep practicing for as long as you need. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account in the meantime. You can also use this demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. There are 3 types of live accounts that you can open with AGEA. 2 of the accounts can be used on MetaTrader 4, and 1 account is designed specifically for the Streamster platform. No minimum deposit is required to open a streamer account with AGEA. However, you will need to deposit at least $6 to open a MetaTrader 4 Cent account, and $100 to open a MetaTrader 4 Standard account. The streamer account supports algorithmic trading and gives account holders access to both live and virtual trading desks, without the need to jump between different accounts or platforms. This account is suitable for all types of traders and can be used to trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, indices, and commodity CFDs. If you are interested in trading on MetaTrader 4, you can open either a standard account or a cent account. When using cent accounts, account balances and transactions are denominated in cents instead of dollars, and these accounts are designed for trading with smaller amounts. The cent account is beginner-friendly, and we recommend trying this account or the streamer account if it is your first time trading. You can also open a standard MetaTrader 4 account, but this account is suitable for more experienced traders. The standard account is similar to the cent account, but at least $100 must be deposited to use this account, and there are no limits on account balances when using this account. All of AGEA's accounts are commission-free, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 100 is allowed. But the streamer account is the only account that can be used for trading cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in trading forex, we recommend opening a MetaTrader 4 account, as more currency pairs are offered on MetaTrader 4. You are not limited to using only one platform, and you can open multiple sub-accounts once your main account is verified. Muslim clients can open a swap-free account. No interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. AGEA does not offer a separate swap-free account, but instead offers zero-interest trading on all open positions, and charges no overnight interest when trading on the default trading platform. If you'll be trading on MetaTrader 4, overnight interest is charged for holding a position for more than 1 day. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AGEA offers, click on the Services tab or use the menu at the bottom of the homepage. AGEA clients can trade on the Streamster, MetaTrader 4 or the AGEA web trader platforms. AGEA Trade has a minimalistic interface and is available in more than 100 languages. There are 5 layouts to choose from, and your display can be set to light or dark modes. AGEA's web trader has dozens of built-in indicators that you can use to analyze the markets and identify trading opportunities. All tradable instruments can be viewed from the toolbar at the top of the screen, and you can easily access the community channel, market news, and any other important documents directly from the main dashboard. Streamster is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading. This platform has a traditional layout. There are multiple graph types and indicators available on this platform, and you can easily automate your trades using the Streamster API. You can also use MetaTrader 4, and you will not be limited to using only one platform when you trade with AGEA. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. You can download these platforms for free by clicking on the Services tab and heading over to the Downloads page. Creating an account with AGEA may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the AGEA homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form, verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Some of the payment methods you can use are credit card deposits, bank wire transfers, Skrill, Nutella, and Fazza Pay. Once your account is approved, you can fund it and start trading with AGEA. If you are new to trading, we would recommend using AGEA's glossary to familiarize yourself with trading terminology. Once you understand the basic concepts of trading, you can read through the detailed guides provided to learn more about buying and selling instruments, fundamental and technical analysis, risk management, and different trading techniques to improve your chances of being successful. AGEA also provides an updated economic calendar that you can use to make more informed decisions, and you can view the latest market news directly from the web trader and supported platforms. Overall, what we like most about AGEA are the intuitive, powerful platforms and beginner-friendly accounts that are offered. You can use demo accounts on either one of the platforms, so you don't have to make any commitments until you are ready. This broker also provides an intuitive web trader that you can check out before you open an account, and you will not be limited to using only one platform once you sign up. AGEA offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Whether you are using a real account or a demo account, remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so remember to trade responsibly. And that is our overview of AGEA. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.